stress sa school, sa mga peers. So, we have treatments that cater to their needs. That's why we decided to get someone who can represent our brand na teenager din. And then we spoke to Arnold Vega-Freire, and tama-tama, he told us that Jimwell Pacquiao was ready to do some modeling.
Fantastic. I feel it as well. Ako kasi teenager din ako eh. In the past, Miss Nancy, your endorsers and brand ambassadors represent a particular service. In this case, what does Jimwell represent?
It doesn't really represent a specific service. Although we have services that cater to yung mga acne, mga ganon, mga suitable for his age. He represents the teenagers na, di ba parang ano siya, he's like a normal teen. He goes to school, parang sometimes he's in the limelight. Tapos he has mga stress sa school, so ganon. So, feeling namin, nakaka-relate naman siya. That's why he's the perfect choice for Blue Water Day Spa.
It is a wonderful, wonderful service as a teenager then, because nga, as you said ma'am, school and different stress, Blue Water Day Spa really releases all that. Sir Arnold, kayo naman, you're so used to the limelight, of course. I have a question for you. A lot of people think that this wonderful boy is now ready, and as you said, of course, so why Jimwell?
Since Jimwell is a typical teenager, no, I see the epitome of a new generation of a youth. Like, he's God-fearing. Number one, parang he's a role model for the youth. Since Blue Water Days pa asked me, who is the new artist that you can recommend that represents the new generation? Aspirational and new artist. So I highly recommended Jimwell. Jimwell is a typical youth that kakaroon ng crush, that he go out also, but hindi yung the usual youth na lumalabas na they go to the club or parties. So you can see that he's very studious, God-fearing, mahalin pamilya niya. So I can see he's a very aspirational. So I highly recommended Jimwell. And usually youth nowadays, they miss yung mga, they should maintain a healthy lifestyle. So the new generation he can recommend to the youth that to go to the spa that is, when you say kasi spa parang sinabi this is for adult only, but they didn't know that spa also is good for the young ones.
Yes.
Especially not only when you say spa, they thought it's just a massage. So there's an athlete massage. There's a facial massage, and at the same time, there's a facial treatment, which youth nowadays can have acne. So the best that you can, it's to go to the world class, because I know I've been to Blue Water Day Spa, which is a world class now na spa, that they also have a good facial treatment, especially for the young ones.
Thank you very much, Sir Arnold. Always good to see you. Miss Jiki, hello, looking lovely as ever. Okay. Can we turn on the mic of Miss Jinky, please? Thank you very much. Ma'am, can you tell us more po about your son? Kasi everyone really is curious about him since they only see him from time to time and has not really been in the limelight. And now, yun nga po, he's now ready to be introduced to the world. Can you talk more about him, ma'am? And here you go po.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Blue Water, for one of your endorsers. Itong anak ko na to, I can't believe na 15 years old na si Jimwell. And medyo mahihain siya ng konti kasi syempre first time niya. Ang masasabi ko is isa siyang masunuring bata. Kung ano yung sasabihin namin sa kanya, ni Manny, nag-o-obey siya. At minsan, sinasabi na rin niya yung mga crushes niya, pero okay lang yun. Ganun talaga. Oo. Ano pa ba masasabi ko? Yun, mabait na bata. Kung ano yung sasabihin namin, sinusunod, actually lahat sila. Tsaka, kailangan maging priority yung, sa amin kasi pong pamilya, kailangan before you go to bed, kailangan magbasa ng Bible, kasi yun ang pinaka-foundation na gusto namin na ibibigay namin sa kanila. Na kailangan may takot sa Panginoon, to do what is right, to love mercy, and walk humbly with God. Yun.
Maraming salamat po. Clearly po sa lahat. Let's give him a round of applause. And Ma'am Jinky, of course, talaga po nakita po natin na he's growing up to be a very, very good role model. So, Jimwell, sa'yo naman ang question ngayon. Kanina medyo nag-discuss na tayo. So, ang sarap kasi meron kami pareho kami mahilig sa basketball and we also like computer games and movies. So now, how are you feeling? Kamusta?
Okay naman.
Okay naman? Okay. And of course, we're very, very excited to welcome you to the family. So, ano nafe-feel mo siguro ngayon na parang nasa limelight ka na rin, na parang all these cameras? How are you feeling?
It feels a little strange since it's my first time and it's always been my dad, my mom, and even my lola. Yeah, so it's kind of everything is new to me. Honestly, I just enjoy being a regular teenager, going to school, study, play, and have crushes. But then, since projects came like Blue Water Days Spa, so my parents need to try new things for Blue Water. So, I'm thankful to Blue Water that they chose me. Even though there are a lot of other famous teens out there, but I think I represent the young generation today, and I represent that we should always have a healthy lifestyle, relax, and live healthy.
Thank you, brother. Now we want to know, yun nga, more about you, katulad nga nung mga hobbies mo or likes, like that movie na you told me that you really like. So, you like basketball. Ano pa? Tell us more about your hobbies or your likes.
Yeah, basketball is probably the most thing I do every weekend. We play basketball with my cousins and friends. And, yeah, and, I like to watch movies, specifically horror movies. Yeah.
Yun nga, ako rin, nagulat din po ako kanina. So, perfect na balance. Habang nag-horror movie, magpapaspa ka, marirelax ka ulit, di ba? So, talagang mabalance eh. Pero, it's good to know na we have you with the family. I'm part of Blue Water as well. And I just want to say, you're in very, very good hands. You're in very, very good hands. Okay. Yes, so, parang pakaulit. Thank you. So, ito mga pumunta tayo sa services na you recommend sa Blue Water Days Spa. Could you share with our lovely audience kung ano yung services na ma-recommend?
Since like me, I'm a teenager, so I sometimes struggle from acne and pimples. So I highly recommend the T-zone facial and the acne clearance. It's really good for it's really good to have so that you can look your absolute best. And since I'm an athlete, I play basketball a lot, like I said, and I also highly recommend the athlete's massage. So since you're stressed out from basketball like practices and stuff, you can relax with the athlete's massage.
Okay, thank you very much. So I hope you learned a lot from Blue Water, of course, and from Jimwell. So ngayon, since we started the question and answer kanina, eto na ang official question and answer in a while. Pero right now, palakpakan po natin ang Blue Water Days Spa. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ma'am Jinky, Jimwell, Nancy, and Sir Arnold. Thank you very much.